Man, I'm about to piss off so many people and lose so many subscribers, but fuck it, what can you do? This is one of those videos where you're like, why the hell did I even come here in the first place? What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel, we're going through some changes. So at the time, this fucking fly. So at the time of this recording, most of my popular videos are about zodiac signs, blood types, even down to the Chinese/Japanese animal zodiac signs. Most of my viewers and subscribers come from those videos. And I'm sorry to pop your bubble, but I'm getting tired of making these videos. It's not fun anymore for me. Hear me out. The way how I sit down and batch these videos, breaking the fourth wall, it takes me about 2 weeks to make 3 months worth of content regarding this topic. And the amount of time to research, record, edit, schedule, it just sucks all the fun out of it. Am I gonna delete the videos off the channel because I'm not interested in making it anymore? Hell no, are you stupid? At least it provides some type of value so they can get some type of knowledge about what it is that they're searching for. But I'm not gonna delete it. I'm gonna leave it right there on the channel for anyone to like consume or refer back to for future references. Not to mention too, there's other talented, smart, brilliant content creators that cover those same topics. I'm pretty sure people that are looking for those type of content can find the perfect content creator to fit their needs. Unfortunately, I'm not one of them, which kind of sucks because most of the views and the comments and the interactions are coming from those type of videos. And what's even sad too is I would get even DMs on Instagram where people want to know more so they can find out if their love interest is more compatible for them. For me to sit down and like just research before I give them an answer is like, it's not fun anymore. It really isn't. I decided not to produce any more content regarding the horoscope realm. Yo, future Johann here. Okay, 3 things. Number 1, my hair is fucked up, okay? I decided to cut my own hair. Off topic, I decided to cut my own hair and I butchered it up completely, so it's looking like a hot mess. Number 3, I have these stupid stars on my eyes and popped out of nowhere. I'm like, yo, what the hell? And number 3, basically what I'm trying to say is I felt burned out creating these type of content, and it was just sucking all of the energy out of me, and it wasn't fun to create these type of videos. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Let me get back to the video and shut the hell up. So what am I gonna do? First of all, duck from this damn sun because it is too damn hot and I can't even see nothing. Much better. So what does that mean for this channel? What is it that we're actually diving into? You're about to have to wait and find out, boy. Yeah, so I completely understand for those who are looking for more of the horoscope content and they're not gonna get it. I can completely understand if you unsubscribe and you kind of like leave this channel. I respect that. I appreciate the time that you spent on this channel laughing. That's the most important thing I'm focusing on, is to make people laugh and enjoy the content and also learning something about whatever it is that I'm making. So what I miss making those type of videos to some extent, only because it does buy me time to sit down and map out other content on this platform and on other platforms like Instagram and TikTok. I'm very positive that you can find someone that can meet your needs when it comes to this type of content. I hope that you stick around even after the fact, because we're gonna be testing out a few video ideas and testing out cool, fun collaboration videos in the future. Consider sticking around, you know, a little bit longer. And if it's for you, great. Hopefully you can enjoy the content. If not, then it's been real. I really do appreciate the time that you spent. Hopefully you gained some type of value from them. They're not going anywhere. The playlist of those videos are still gonna be public. We're about to leave because you know what? These bugs are pissing me off and I'm getting tired of... Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh shit. Alrighty, I'm sweating. It is hot. I'm in the middle of the friggin' jungle in the damn forest. And I don't know where I'm at.